Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to enable the dark mode on our system, on our Android, and if you're looking out how to do so wholly, you may follow up these steps for that. Go to settings for that, and once you access your settings application, you can go over to the display section and find it up and tap on it. After you tap on display, you just need to look out for the dark theme available. So you can just go over and tap on dark theme, and then that should enable the dark theme on your device. This is a method available and you should be following it up. But if the dark mode does not apply for some applications that do not support dark mode, you can enable the force dark feature in your developer options, though this might cause some visual inconsistencies. So for that, you can go over and look out for your developer options. You can go over and tap on developer options, and if it is not enabled, you can just go over and enable and scroll down until you reach over to the hardware acceleration section. So scroll down and go over to the hardware acceleration section, this one right here, and you should be finding an option called force dark mode. You just need to enable this option right here, and that will force the apps to use the dark mode even if not fully supported. Be aware that this feature may not work perfectly for all the applications and also could cause the color mismatches or awkward visuals. So you just need to turn this option on, and once it is turned on, you can go over and look out for the display and turn on the dark mode, and the dark mode should be applied on your whole system on your Android device. That's it. So that is it, everybody. If you'd like to enable the dark mode on your Android phone, these are the methods you can follow up. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.